Hi guys, it is Dani and welcome to this updated video. I trust and hope you're doing really fantastic. It is Tuesday the 10th of February 2026 and we're going to be looking at what is going on out there. So in terms of weather conditions in the Caribbean, things have been improving. Over the past week plus, we've been dealing with significantly different weather in terms of it being very cool, very windy, and even some increased rain in a couple of spots due to frontal systems which have impacted us, all stemming from those low pressure areas, those major storm systems in the US. So that's brought on the type of inclement weather that we typically anticipate at this time of year, although it was a bit more exacerbated compared to what we were used to. But things have been improving in that regard. So we'll be looking at the latest. I'll be showing you guys the rainfall forecast and all that. But we're not just going to be focusing on what's going on above the surface of the Caribbean. It has been shaken recently, and we've had a couple of moderate earthquakes over the past 2 days, which we're going to be looking at. And that's exactly what we're going to be starting out with. Now, on the 8th, Sunday, we had an estimated magnitude 5.5 earthquake just offshore Cuba, where this blue X's represents the epicenter of that earthquake. So there is a fault line which runs through this region, and along it, that is where that earthquake happened. And most recently, this morning, there was an earthquake as well, just offshore the eastern coast of Jamaica and off Haiti to the west. So between Jamaica and Haiti, there was another moderate shaking, a little bit weaker, but nonetheless a decent shaking of 5.0 earthquake. So as these seismic waves travel, the shaking weakened. So some shaking would have been felt in Jamaica. Let me know if you felt it. And even in parts of southwestern Haiti as well. But nowhere, no land area felt the full magnitude 5.0 earthquake, because again, it primarily happened just offshore. So this goes to show that, hey, the Caribbean is seismically active. We've got fault lines running all around in the basin, so earthquakes, they can happen literally at any time. And historically, the Enriqueta Plantain Garden Fault, that is where that most recent earthquake occurred. Here we can see that fault line represented by this green line right here going through eastern Jamaica, extending into southern Haiti. And this fault line has produced major earthquakes in the past, such as that 2010 event, one of the deadliest natural disasters ever in recorded history. Pretty sure that there are probably some places in Haiti which still haven't fully recovered since that happened. But this goes to show that, hey, earthquakes can happen at any time. You can literally be doing anything. You can be anywhere at any time, and an earthquake happens. And sometimes, especially with the major earthquakes, it's what you do in a few seconds that can save your life and even the lives of those around us. So this earthquake had happened just after 3 a.m., quite a time. Most of us are in bed in our deepest of sleeps, having our dreams going on in action, and then there's that shaking. I didn't feel it. I'm in the western part of Jamaica in St. James, but I was awakened by my app, my earthquake app on my cell phone actually notified me that there was an earthquake, and that notification came around 8 minutes after the quake actually happened. So we just gotta know what to do, guys, and keep those in the back of our minds, because they can happen, as I said, at any time. Now, we're delving back into the realm of weather, and as I mentioned, things have been improving in regards to the impacts from those recent frontal systems. We've got quite a bit of moisture, though, in parts of the eastern Caribbean. So within the vicinity of Puerto Rico, the Virgin Islands, even going to the Leeward Islands, especially in northern Windward Islands, there is some moisture around, so there's been some rain in a few spots. Maybe you haven't gotten much rain, maybe it's just primarily cloudy. And down towards South America for French Guiana, we can see some action down here. So increased rain definitely likely elsewhere. Just a few scattered showers at most, but it's pretty much dry and quiet for many of us in terms of rainfall activity. Now let's look at that here on the forecast. This is what the Euro is anticipating over the next over the next day or so. And more color indicates more rain. So Again, we've got some moisture, as I mentioned, in the vicinity of the Lesser Antilles, so some additional showers possible, maybe some heavy downpours at times, anywhere from Anguilla southward through Martinique is where the bulk of that rainfall to occur will be. And then further south, as we head to much of the Windward Islands, it is going to be on the drier side as we don't see much color. There could be a few showers near the ABC Islands, nothing crazy though. As I mentioned, down to northern South America, French Guiana, even for Suriname, it may get a bit active with some additional rain. Likewise in sections of Costa Rica, eastern Nicaragua, and even go into Panama. For Jamaica, the Cayman Islands, Cuba, Hispaniola, even Puerto Rico and the Virgin Islands, a few scattered showers at most. And things will be on the much drier side for the Bahamas and the Turks and Caicos Islands as well. Now, as it pertains to that cool down, things have been improving. You may have noticed that things are warming up, especially in the daytime when it's pretty sunny. So this is our temperature anomaly map showing how much the temperature varies from what is normal, and those blue shadings indicate the cooler than average temperatures. So as we head into tomorrow, still going to see some of these blue shadings lingering around for the Northern Caribbean. So things will still be a little bit cooler than normal. You'll feel it primarily in the nighttime, and especially because it is quite windy, that will also enhance it. And then another cool down, but that one is going to remain offshore the Caribbean as we head into this weekend and early next week. So things are pretty much going back to normal in regards to our temperatures. So that's pretty much what we have going on for now, guys. Just wanted to give you that general update on what is happening, and I trust and hope that you found this video to be informative. However, if you have any questions, you can always feel free to drop them in the comments below. I will get to you when I can. And remember to always be weatherwise.